In this video we're going to look at converting units. We have 3 problems here and we're going to tackle each one using the conversions here. So question 1, how many inches in 12.7 meters? Well, we have 1 inch is approximately equal to 2.5 centimeters, but we also know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So we can convert the meters to centimeters, then centimeters to inches. So 12.7 meters. And here I'm going to cancel out the units with fractions. So we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. The meters cancel out with the meters there, but we also need to cancel out the centimeters to get it to inches. And we know that 2.54 centimeters is equivalent to 1 inch. So we're left with the inches in this equation and everything else cancelled out. Multiply the numbers on the top, then divide through the numbers on the bottom, just like normal fractions, and we get 500 inches is equal to 12.7 meters. Number 2, how many miles in 2.4 kilometers? Well, we know 1 mile is equal to 1,600 or 160,934 centimeters, but we don't have kilometers there. But we know that there is 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, and we know that 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. So we can get the kilometers into centimeters and then use this conversion here to convert it to miles. So 2.4 kilometers times 1 kilometer, because I need to cancel out that kilometers, is equal to 1,000 meters. Also need to cancel out that meters and get it into centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now we convert the centimeters to the mile. 160,934 centimeters is equal to 1 mile. If we have a look at the equation, the only unit that is left is miles, and we can multiply the top numbers, divide through by the bottom numbers. Is equal to 1.49 approximately, and that is miles. So 2.4 kilometers is equal to 1.49 miles. Number 3, how many kilometers in 2013 millimeters? Once again, I'm going to use fractions to cancel out the units. I know that 1,000 millimeters is equal to 1 meter. I know that 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Now I'm only left with kilometers, the only unit that hasn't been cancelled out. So we multiply the top numbers, divide through by the bottom numbers, and we get 0.002013 kilometers.